They haven't had a home. They've been living on a boat.
We're gonna have a good time. I think I'm fine. You think you might want to be mine?
What kind of car do you drive? Is that it? I've seen worse things on Zero Dark 30. God, no wonder Angelina Jolie adopts kids from Africa. They've been through real torture. And this is our bathroom. We all share it. It's very bright and open and... Oh! Actually, you see the way that he is sitting? That's actually, it's a special technique for the bowels. It helps to release the bowels. It's almost like having an enema every time you go to the bathroom.
You're a prostitute, aren't you?
Well, ain't the cat's fanny, mister?
Well, you'll be working for me from now on.
Piss off!
War-torn women with displaced breasts. Yeah, there's all these Middle Eastern women with missing breasts. We can go and help them. Yeah, it's only $2,000 each job.
Your glasses! Go! Where have you?
That's bullshit. I push it.
He does this. It's like a Middle Eastern tribal dance. Like it's very earthy and it feels really indigenous, you know.
If you want to come down with me, you better not clown with me.
Great job, guys. Great job. At least I didn't kill anyone.